Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Pro. Are you looking for an AI-powered design tool that transforms your ideas into stunning visuals effortlessly? Molypix.ai is a game changer for creators, marketers, and professionals who want high-quality designs without the hassle. With Molypix.ai, you get access to a vast library of ready-to-use templates, AI-powered design enhancements, and seamless customization, all in just a few clicks. Whether you need a stunning poster, a business-ready LinkedIn post, or eye-catching invitations, this platform has it all. Want to see how Molypix.ai can elevate your designs? Stay tuned as we explore its features, test its AI capabilities, and find out if it's the right tool for you. The link to Molypix.ai is available below the video. To start creating designs, the first step is to log in. You can sign in using your Gmail account for quick access. After logging in, you will see this clean and sleek interface. The dashboard is well organized with a search bar at the top where you can describe your design needs. Below, you will find different design categories like posters, LinkedIn posts, invitations, postcards, images, and logos. Everything is easily accessible, making it simple to start creating professional designs in just a few clicks. In the search bar, enter the prompt or main idea for the design you want to generate. You can also enhance your prompt for better results. Once satisfied with your input, click the Generate button and Molypix.ai will create 4 designs based on your prompt. You can review these designs and choose the one that best fits your needs. You can download the designs or further edit them. If you're happy with the design, simply click the Download button. If you want to make changes, use the Edit option to modify text, colors, images, and layout as needed. From here, you can edit the text, add new text elements, change the font style, and adjust the font color to match your design. You can also modify the text size, alignment, and spacing to enhance the overall appearance of your design, ensuring it looks more polished and professional. On the right side, you can see some additional features including Generate Similar, Upscaler, Magic, Erase, Magic Edit, Expand. I will now demonstrate the Generate Similar feature. This feature allows you to create variations of an existing image while maintaining its style and composition. It's a great way to explore different design possibilities without starting from scratch. Now, let's explore the Magic Erase feature. This tool allows you to remove unwanted objects from an image seamlessly. Simply select the area you want to erase, and the AI will intelligently fill in the background to make it look natural. It's perfect for cleaning up images without any manual editing. Now, let's explore the Expand feature. This tool allows you to extend the boundaries of an image seamlessly. Whether you want to change the aspect ratio or add more background details, the AI intelligently generates new content that blends naturally with the original image. Simply select the expansion area, choose the aspect ratio, and let the AI do the rest. The Expand feature delivers amazing results. As you can see, the AI has seamlessly extended the image, maintaining its original style and details. Molypix provides a wide range of templates, making it easy to create stunning visuals. You can choose from different categories like posters, LinkedIn posts, invitations, postcards, and images. Molypix makes designing a birthday invitation card super easy. Simply enter your main idea, let AI enhance it, and then click the Generate button. Within seconds, you'll get a beautifully designed invitation card. Let's try it out and see the results. Once you get the generated birthday invitation card, you can further refine it by editing the text, adjusting colors, or adding elements to match your theme. Here, you can add text in different styles and fonts to make your birthday invitation more personalized and visually appealing. Here, you can upload any picture from your PC and add it to your design. After that, you'll find a variety of stickers, Choose the ones that best match your design. Additionally, there are plenty of images available that you can browse or search for based on your preferences. Here, you can add any background of your choice. You can also lock, unlock, or delete different layers as needed. Additionally, you can resize your design according to various social media platforms. Once you have completed the editing, you can download and use your design. That's it. Now you know how to create and customize stunning designs using Molypix. Whether you need a birthday invitation, a social media post, or any other creative design, Molypix offers powerful AI tools, templates, and customization options to bring your ideas to life. Try it out yourself and see how easy and fun it is. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you in the next one.